Great Migrations, Bay the Elephant's Amazing Journey. Story by Claire Berthollet, English translation Joanna Neville, illustrations DGPH Studio, and layout Tanya De Brito. Bay the Elephant's Amazing Journey. In a forest in China, a herd of elephants live a peaceful life, munching on bamboo shoots, leaves, grasses, and fruit. Two of the elephants' calves are totally inseparable. Brave Bay and his cousin, Fearful Freng, spend all their time playing together and getting up to mischief. But for some time now, the mother elephants have been worried. Their food is fast running out. The forest is gradually shrinking as the cities get bigger and bigger, and human crops like tea and rice take over the landscape. One morning, their wise old leader, Auntie, comes to a decision. "We must leave our home and search for food," she announces. And whenever Auntie speaks, the other elephants listen and obey. In a cloud of dust, with the ground shaking under the movement of so many enormous feet, the herd set off. Fang grips Bay's tail tightly in his trunk to make sure they don't get separated. At the beginning, the journey is fun. The elephants are excited to leave their forest and discover new horizons. They even bathe in the river they find on their way. "Yippee!" shouts Bay as he jumps into the water. Fang is a bit hesitant at first, but eventually starts splashing Bay with water from his trunk. Splat! But all good things must come to an end, and the elephants must be on their way again. A little further on, their journey takes a more dangerous turn. The herd must cross a busy road. "Watch out for the cars and trucks zigzagging around. Beep beep!" The horns blare out very close to the elephants, and even Bay feels a little jumpy. As night falls, the herd finally stops to rest for a while, in a noisy field right next to the big road. The young elephants huddle up close to their mothers. They are hungry and a bit scared. The landscapes they have crossed are so different from their forest back home. The next morning, the elephant calves are really hungry. Bay and Feng's tummies rumbling so loudly that it sounds like a thunderstorm is breaking. Fortunately, the herd soon comes to a village where delicious smells waft out from the houses. The rascals steal a bunch of bananas through an open window. Yum! And one elephant even has the nerve to knock on a door with his trunk. Knock, knock. The elephants continue through the village. They walk up street lined with shops. Bay is fascinated, but Feng is a little anxious, faced with all these new things. All around, people stare at them in wonder as the ground trembles beneath their feet. The next day is better still. The herd makes its way through rice crops, cornfields, and sugarcane plantations. Bay and Feng eat so much that their stomachs feel like they are going to explode. It's also delicious, much better than those boring bamboo shoots. What a treat! But they have not reached the end of their journey yet. Even though the young elephants would be happy to stay here, Auntie explains that elephants cannot live this close to people. Indeed, the elephants spot some villagers approaching with sticks. The villagers are furious with the animals for destroying their crops. After several days of walking, the herd finally reaches a new forest. The forest is very dense and a long way from any humans. "Hooray!" cries the elephants. What a long journey! What an adventure they've had! Bai and Feng are quite tired but eager to explore their new playground. Little by little, the herd get used to their new home. The mother elephants are relieved as there is plenty of food. There is even a small river nearby for the little ones to play in. Splish splash, Bai and Feng are back to their favorite game, horsing around in the water. The end.